Is your MacBook's battery draining faster than you'd like? Don't worry. In this video, I'll share some simple but effective tips to save battery life on your MacBook and keep it running longer. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Lower your screen brightness. You guys in this trick. First, reduce your screen brightness. Your display is one of the biggest battery drainers. Use the brightness keys on your keyboard or go to the control center to lower it to a comfortable level. For example, you can see on my MacBook Pro running with macOS Sequoia. Let's keep the brightness at 50% instead of maximum. It can save up to 30% of your battery. Now let's move on. Tip number 2. Turn off keyboard backlighting. Next, turn off the keyboard backlight when it's not needed. Press the F5 key or adjust it in the system settings and then go to keyboard section. For example, if you're working in a well-lit area, turning off the backlight completely can save significant battery life. Tip 3. Use energy saver mode. Please enable low power mode to optimize energy usage. Go to system settings, then click on battery and turn toggle on low power mode for both battery and power adapter usage. For example, this mode reduces system performance slightly but can extend your battery life by several hours. Perfect for long flights or meetings. Tip 4. Close unnecessary apps and tabs. Close apps and browser tabs you're not using. Background processes can drain your battery faster than you realize. For example, instead of 10 tabs open in Safari, keep just the ones you're actively using. Tip 5. Disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when not needed. Turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when you're not using them. These services continuously search for connections, which uses battery power. For example, if you're working offline, disabling Wi-Fi can save a noticeable amount of battery. Tip 6. Manage background activity. Limit background activity by disabling apps from launching at startup. Go to System Settings, then General, and click on Login Items to remove any apps you don't need to start automatically. For example, stopping apps like messaging services or cloud storage from running in the background can extend your battery life significantly. Tip 7. Keep software updated. Make sure your MacBook is running the latest macOS version. Apple often includes battery optimization updates that can improve performance. For example, a recent macOS update improved battery efficiency for many users, so don't miss out. By following these tips, you can keep your MacBook battery going strong throughout the day. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.